Welcome to GSM Guide, and today we are looking to the OPPO newest phone Reno 4. So let's take a look and see what we will find. So let's start the unboxing. The packaging feels really nice and premium with this beautiful blue color. Here in the back we will find the logo of Android and some information, and overall it feels really high quality packaging. We have also on the front this very nice Reno design and the name. This version of the phone is 8 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of storage space. With that out of the way, here we have our OPPO box. Let's open the box and see the phone, and here it is, the OPPO Reno 4 with the main specs shown in the front. Here is the case, phone case, and the ejector tool to put your SIM card inside. Also you have your safety guide and warranty papers inside. In hands, the Reno 4 feels very light with only 165 grams, and this beautiful screen size of 6.4 inches with 83.5% screen to body ratio feels very nice and beautiful for this phone. The SIM tray and the volume buttons are in the left side of the phone. In the back here we will find the 3 main cameras and the very beautiful galactic blue color in the back. In the box here we still have the USB Type-C cable for charging, the 30-watt fast charging charger that promises to charge your phone 50% in only 20 minutes. And finally here your earphones with jack inputs. The Reno 4 uses the ColorOS version 7 and it's based on Android 10. Let's have a closer look to the cameras and see how they performed. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos. The main camera of the phone is a wide-angle camera with a sensor of 48 megapixels and an aperture of 1.7. And here is some example photos that I took with this camera. The ultra-wide camera is 8 megapixels with an aperture of 2.2, and the macro lens is 2.4 with only 2 megapixels in the sensor. There is also extra features in the camera mode, such as the expert mode and the PANO mode that allow you to make amazing panoramics. Of course, the expert mode will give you all the control that you need over the ISO, the shutter speed, the white balance and the focus. Also, it will record pictures in RAW format. In the video side, the Reno 4 can record 4K 30fps, Full HD 30 and 60fps with gyro and electronic image stabilization. We have some amazing slow motion capabilities also in the Reno 4, 4080 in Full HD and 960 in 720p. And here are some examples. The front camera is 32 megapixels with an aperture of 2.4. It's a great camera, it makes great selfies, and the HDR mode is very amazing and gives you amazing results. The Reno 4 is very snappy and responsive and should handle very well your everyday usage. Thanks to the Snapdragon 720G chipset and the Adreno 680, gaming won't be a problem also. Security is also no problem for the Reno 4, with its under-display optical fingerprint sensor, easy to set up, and it's amazing. But I think it's a bit in the bottom of the phone and you need sometimes few tries to unlock it. But when it works, it's very fast. In 20 minutes you can have a 50% charge thanks to the Vogue 4.0, and it can handle a good day with its 4015 mAh battery. For 330 euros, the OPPO Reno 4 is a solid choice. If you like its clean interface, the beautiful galactic blue color, you can't go wrong. It's Anis from GSM Guide. See you in the next video and don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.